Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Hi, my name is Julie, where I talk about all things true crime and anything else you like to hear. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, hi, how are you doing today? So today is Makeup Monday. Well, when you're seeing this, I filmed this on Sunday. So today is Makeup Monday. So I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. Since someone asked for an eyebrow tutorial. Which, okay. So, I brush them off with the spoolie, and then I take the One Wild Mega Clear. You know, just brush them. Get them to stay where I want them to stay. I'm going to do it on one eyebrow. And then I'm going to let that dry. So, now that we've let that dry, I want to talk to you about a product while we're here. This. This e.l.f. Halo Glow crap. I'm going to put it on my face. Everyone says this is a great product. I'm going to put it on my nose. Now, reason I'm putting it on my nose is so I can show you okay. Do y'all see anything? Do y'all see anything? Because I do not. I mean, I see a little bit of shininess, but $14? e.l.f. What the heck happened? Honestly, I don't think this does anything for my face. You guys can totally tell me in the comments if it does something for my face, but to be honest, I don't see a difference. I really don't. This is I tried this out the day before yesterday, and then I tried it today during church, and oh no. I don't think it does anything for my face. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's because of my skin texture, but I don't think it does anything. Let me know. So, now that my eyebrow has dried, we're going to go in and we're going to take our Shop Miss A Slim Brow. This AOA Studio Slim Brow in dark brown. This bad boy. Can y'all see that? I'm going to take it. Take your time when you do your eyebrows. People are like, oh my gosh, I need to rush. I need to rush. Please take your time. Now you guys are probably like, why aren't you pushing them up, you know? Just fill in the sparse area. Because my eyebrows are horrible. I don't have eyebrow to do that. This is the only way I can do my eyebrows, okay, y'all? I'm still growing them out. I'm still growing the bad boys out. Take a spoolie. You brush them. Okay? Now I'm gonna fill in again. Sparse area. So yeah, guys. That is how I do my eyebrow. What do we think? Please leave me a comment telling me how much you like the brows. Don't buy this. It doesn't do anything for my face. I don't see a difference. Let's turn the light off, shall we? Y'all see a difference? I don't see a difference. I don't see anything. So, who is excited for Wednesday's video? I'll give you a hint. Let's just say she chose Dick over her children. let's see if y'all guys can figure that out Wednesday. Oh, and also, tell me you chose Dick over your kids without telling me you chose Dick over your kids. Okay, bye. I'll see you Wednesday. Bye, guys.